hiccups came again. So I have the hiccups. So don't mind me moving my hiccups here. This is my hiccups. ASMR doing my hiccups now. I have the hiccups, so here we go with some hiccups, guys. Alright. Today is Monday. Almost Tuesday. I don't know how my hiccups just came. But they're here. Oh my gosh. I'm giving you a little minute content. ASMR having my hiccups. So guys, here's the content I'm giving you. Whoa, that's a big one. I was just about to watch TV and my hiccups came, so let's do this together now. My gosh, these hiccups, I'm telling you. So no, they're gone. Oh, they're still here. My gosh, these hiccups don't want to go away. My God. Oh my gosh, such a big hiccup. My gosh, I remember when I had the hiccups when I was doing that video, and the subscribers like, why am I moving? Because of my hiccups. That's why. So it's not like I'm doing anything. My hiccups are coming. Alright guys, I'm doing another part to the video again with my hiccups. Oh my God. Oh my gosh. I don't know why my hiccups are here to stay. Wow. That was a big one. Alright, I want this to stop now. Hiccups. Oh, sorry. I turned off the TV by accident. Oh my gosh. This is a big hiccup. My favorite show I like to watch is The Big Bang Theory. So, yeah. They don't want to go. Oh my gosh. I can feel it in my chest when it comes in. It's painful. show some things on my face. Well, guys, so my hiccups are here today, guys. Yes, guys, I hope you guys enjoy these hiccup videos. This was me at my hiccup. So, yes. It came back again. Oh my gosh. Oh, hiccups, 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 hiccups. But I'm like retainer now. Okay, y'all. Oh my god, these hiccups, boy. What am I gonna do? I want them to stop. Okay. Alright, guys. My hiccups are still here. My hiccups are still here. Oh my god. And it's like, they don't want to stop. Alright, guys. More hiccups again. This is a night video, guys. My hiccups came. So that's it. Oh my god, it won't stop. It makes me tired, guys. The hiccups make me tired. But I'm giving you this video. This video. That was a big one. I'm sorry, y'all. Did not mean that. Oh my god. I feel so bad, guys, for doing that. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I want this to stop now. Okay. I think it's done now. I think it should be done. Alright, y'all. I think I'm done. Alright, guys. So, other than that, that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoy. ASMR vlog while my hiccups come. I know this is like a night vlog. Do something more different, you know what I mean? Let me know what y'all think. And I'll see you on the next one.